The transmission offers you lots of features you're already familiar with, like urge to move, creep mode, and blended pedal. Urge mode and creep mode offer better low-speed maneuverability in low and reverse gears, while blended pedal allows you to slip the clutch by varying foot pressure on the brake pedal. The hill hold feature is available as an option for certain automated transmissions. This feature holds the vehicle while on a hill to allow the operator to release the service brake and press the accelerator. Included in the Paccar transmission is an industry-exclusive oil pressure sensor. This sensor will cause a derate, allowing the truck to limp in first gear once the pressure sensor gets a low fluid warning. This offers improved burnout protection, as the sensor does more than just warn the driver of the problem. It takes action to keep it from getting worse.